Welcome. In today's session, we'll explore how to transform object values using a function while keeping the original keys unchanged. This method helps modify and extract data from objects efficiently. Let's dive in. Our goal is to take an object, apply a transformation function to its values, and generate a new object while keeping the keys unchanged. This is useful for data manipulation in JavaScript applications. This function loops through the object's keys, applies a function to each value, and returns a new object with the transformed values. In our example, we extract the age property from each object. The process starts by extracting keys, then applying the transformation function using the reduce method, and finally creating a new object with the modified values while retaining the original structure. This table shows different transformations that can be applied to object values. You can perform mathematical operations, string conversions, or even specific properties from nested objects. This technique is useful in real-world scenarios like processing data from APIs, formatting values for display, or even logging structured data for debugging. In summary, this method provides a flexible way to modify object values while maintaining their structure. It is widely used in JavaScript applications for efficient data transformation. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.